Hello and welcome. In this session, we are exploring design and analysis of algorithms, also known as DAA. DAA is a core subject in computer science. It teaches us how to design efficient algorithms and how to analyze their performance using time and space complexity. This subject forms the foundation for solving real-world computing problems. What DAA covers? In this course, we will learn divide and conquer techniques, greedy algorithms, dynamic programming, important graph algorithms, and concepts like P, NP, and NP-complete. These methods help us choose the best possible approach for any computational problem. Course objectives. By the end of this course, you will understand the fundamentals of algorithm analysis, learn major design techniques like divide and conquer, greedy, and dynamic programming, evaluate algorithms using time and space complexity, apply algorithms to sorting, searching, and graph-related problems, and recognize the computational limits of P versus NP. Course outcomes. After completing the course, you will be able to analyze algorithms using Big O and other asymptotic notations, design efficient solutions using standard strategies, implement graph algorithms for different applications, compare algorithms based on their performance, and understand the characteristics of NP-complete problems. Thank you for listening. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more simple and clear explanations on computer science subjects.